Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Surda Sadia Siddiq and welcome to a new project. So, I will make a project named Catch It. So, that's why we have 5 steps to follow. First one, move the object container, and the second one, go to the top, falls from top to bottom, catch it, and keep score. So, at the beginning of my project, I will pick a backdrop. So, I choose a ocean theme backdrop and then I will pick my sprites. So, I take a bowl and I will take an egg. The next thing to sort out my programming is to move the container I have where my mouse will go. But before that, I made my sprites visible a bit. I come to my containers code. So first of all, I select set x2 and set y2 block, and I choose a sensing block mouse x. Then I go to the event block and take when green flag click, and now I go to the control block to take a forever block, and now I click the green flag and then wow, it's working. So my first mission is completed. Then my second task is to take our object, which is egg, that we have taken. Means if you click on a green flag, it will automatically go up. That's why first of all I take a green flag, clicked, and from motion block I take go to random place and I set the Y position of this object. So then I click the green flag and yes, I'm successfully working. Then the third point is folds the object from top to bottom. I mean that our egg, when green flag clicked, will go up automatically and fall down. So that's why I go to the motion block to take change x by -5. I go to the control block to take a forever. So I take a if block from a control block and go to the operators to take a block and set the if block, and then I take a block from the motion and take Y position and set a condition, and then the result will be go to the random place and set Y position, and then I took it into the forever block and add the when green flag clicked. Now our task is to catch the object that will fall from above. That is, when we catch the object in this container, our object will vanish and again the object will fall down from the any random place. So to do that, I take a if block from the control and take a block from sensing touching the bowl, and then go to the motion block and take go to random position block and set Y position to 180. Then I insert it into the forever block, and again I go to the sound block and I change the sound from the sound library and I choose a sound collect. So that's why I take a sound and go to the code and take the sound, play sound until done to collect. Then I go to the look block to change the costume of this egg if the egg touch the bowl. And then this egg change his costume. Then I take another if block and take a block from the operators is equal block. Then I take if y position equal 156, then the look will not be changed. Then I insert it into the forever block and I change the costume hatching A. Now let's check. Have I been able to fully fulfill my desires? Of course, yes. But there is a little mistake, which is that my egg is not breaking. I can't see the chick. For this reason, I will take a weight block from the control and place it into if touching the bowl block, and I change the weight block seconds is 0.1 second. So yeah, I can see my cheek. Oh, how pretty. And then I stop it, and the last thing we need to do, that is, when I catch the object, I need to keep the score. So that's why I go to the variable and create a new variable which is score and click OK. And then will change my variable score to 1 when I can touch the ball. The thing you must be careful about that is you don't get the variable names wrong, but your program doesn't work the way you want. So look, here I have one variable named my variable here, which is not my desired variable. That's why I change it into score, and then I go to when green flag click block to set my score to 0 when I start this program. So finally I can keep my score and I can move my container and I can do all the things I want, and now see the final result. So green flag clicked and enjoy it.